Can you track hummingbird migration? Have you ever wondered how scientists keep tabs on those tiny, vibrant hummingbirds as they travel thousands of miles? Tracking hummingbird migration is indeed possible, and it involves some fascinating methods. Let's break down how this is done. One of the primary techniques used is called banding. This involves capturing a hummingbird and placing a small metal or plastic band on its leg. Each band has a unique identification number. If that bird is later recaptured or reported by someone else, researchers can learn where it has traveled and when. This method has been around for many years and continues to be effective for studying migration patterns. Another method is radio tracking. In this technique, tiny radio transmitters are attached to the hummingbirds. Researchers then use a receiver to follow their movements. This allows for detailed knowledge of their migration routes and the places where they stop to rest and feed. The most advanced method is satellite tracking. Very small satellite transmitters are attached to the birds, enabling researchers to monitor their movements over long distances and in remote areas. This technology provides a broader view of their migration patterns and behaviors. Hummingbirds typically migrate during the day, flying low to find nectar sources such as flowers along their route. They can travel up to 23 miles in a single day and sometimes cover distances as long as 500 miles in one flight. For instance, rufous hummingbirds from Alaska are known to travel south along the Pacific coast, then east across northern United States before heading down the east coast to Florida or even further south to Mexico. The total round trip for these birds can exceed 1,000 miles. Tracking methods and observations help scientists and bird enthusiasts map these migration routes. They also learn about the birds' stopover needs and the challenges they face, such as bad weather or a lack of food sources during migration. This knowledge is essential for protecting hummingbird populations and their habitats. From a broader perspective, understanding hummingbird migration also highlights the connections within ecosystems. These migratory birds depend on abundant nectar sources, which are part of healthy plant and insect communities. These communities are often found near water bodies, where fishing takes place. Observing hummingbird migration can indicate the health of these environments, which also support fish populations. Additionally, the timing of hummingbird migration often coincides with seasonal changes in aquatic ecosystems, offering a wider view of wildlife patterns beyond fishing activities. So, tracking hummingbird migration not only helps us understand these beautiful birds but also connects us to the larger ecosystem they inhabit.